Guys, John here with Vapor Honing Technologies today. We wanted to show you what it was like cleaning up some very, very large grass. This stuff is really, really heavy and huge. These are some lugs that we've pulled off of some 3-phase wire. These lugs here were for some 600 to 800 MCM, so very large cable. But just wanted to show you the two differences between the parts. We're going to be reselling these parts, so obviously we said why not throw them in the vapor hone and clean them up. We could get double the money out of them just by cleaning them up for 5 seconds. And you could see how quick and easy something like that was. So just a random off-the-wall application for you. Anybody in the world that's cleaning or restoring, this is the process for you, and we're here to help you figure that out. Because there are a million different abrasive combinations that you could be using, and you need to know which is the right abrasive for your application. And don't get stuck. That's where we come in. So give us a call, shoot us an email. We're here happy to help. So thanks for watching. Take care.